Hey everyone, so today's is all about zoning and how you're going to zone your areas location wise. So this one is a tiny space, we can cover it very easily, but when there are huge spaces, when you have to decide on the things might become messy. And so let's start with a smaller unit and we will be more focused on how to come up with the new things. So first one, basically I would say here, just take your pen and move around however your walking path must be on it. So this is the good way to go to start our zoning, and I started as of the same way. And basically I thought of planning layouts and divisions, walkways and furnitures. So I ended up coming with this idea. I entered in my study, which also acts as my living room. Then next, when the door bifurcates the kitchen and the study, until which then I took the marker pen and used my wardrobe area as a partition wall. I don't have to invest on one more wall, which can act my wardrobe can act as both the middle partition wall and serve as a wardrobe inside, and it can also be a backdrop which will give my space entity what I got in my first catalog thing, where I can put up all my worksheets and the spaces. So this is all about the zoning, but this came easily in this. But when it goes to more wider spaces, we have to think very differently. And even in this space, we can add few more places, not only the basic needs, whatever they have added. We can try to implement little more in that. Can we add a washing area in it, utility area around the kitchen, or we can make some walk-in closets, or try to use the 3D visuals which will help me to use the space above the washroom and the kitchen where I don't require upper storage. So that can be another idea when you think in the sections. So you can make 2-3 blueprints, and mine was ended up like this. Basically you enter to a living room, and which will also act as your study space, and then beside that your kitchen, and in that tiny area I gave it for washing, you can say it utility or laundry area as such. Then you enter to bedroom, and middle closet works as the partition between both the spaces. So due to advent of work from home sections, or we all need these work zones everywhere in the home, so we need to implement this. This was all about it. Thank you guys, hope you enjoyed this.